Requirement 8.3 of PCI DSS says you have to secure all individual non-console administrative access and all remote access to the CDE using multi-factor authentication. So what exactly is multi-factor authentication? The overall process for authentication requires at least 2 of 3 authentication methods, which include something you know, such as a password, something you have, such as a token, or something you are, such as biometrics, which includes, amongst other things, fingerprint scans. Where multi-factor authentication stands out is the requirement for independence of authentication mechanisms. The authentication mechanism used for multi-factor authentication should be independent of one another so that access to one factor does not grant access to another factor, and the compromise of one factor does not affect the integrity or confidentiality of any other factor. So for example, say you have software certificates stored on a laptop, which is protected by the same set of credentials you used to log into the laptop in the first place. The certificates could have been one factor, something you have, and the credentials another, something you know. The problem in this scenario, however, is there is no independence between the two factors because the same set of credentials were used to protect both factors. So in summary, multi-factor authentication requires 2 authentication methods, including something you know, something you have, or something you are, and there has to be independence of the authentication mechanisms if you want to be PCI DSS compliant. Once again, if you have any questions and you want answered, please feel free to post a comment or get in touch with us and we'll make it a subject of a later episode. Thanks for watching.